2 times x squared minus 3 times x plus 1 multiplied by 2 times x squared plus 5 times x plus 1 is equal to 9 times x squared. And we do know what our mission is, and that's to find x. Pause the video and give it a real try. You can solve it, and then continue watching. Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Daily Math. Today we're going to deal with this Quartic equation. If we multiply everything by everything, we will get a power of 4 for x. As you can see here, 2 times x squared and 2 times x squared, and that becomes 4 times x to the power of 4 plus etc. But we don't want to do that. We are going to simplify it. And how to simplify it? Well, I have an idea. The idea is to go down the path of symmetry. Is it symmetrical? No, but we can manipulate it and change it the way we want it. So we have 2 times x squared minus 3 times x. Wow, that 3 is really ugly. That's better. Plus 1. And the other expression is 2 times x squared plus 5 times x plus 1. We want to have something between these two expressions. So these two terms are identical and plus 1. This is what is different. So we want something between negative 3x and 5 times x. So that's 2 times x over 2, and that's x. So we have 2 times x squared plus x plus 1. And I want to call that y. Let me erase this part. So if that's y, then this one is y plus 4 times x. And this one is y minus 4 times x. And that's what I call symmetry. So now let's go ahead and insert these two expressions in the equation. We have y plus 4 times x multiplied by y minus 4 times x, and that's equal to 9 times x squared. Now the root is pretty clear from this point. We multiplied y squared minus 16x squared equals 9 times x squared. That's isolate y and x. 25x squared, and that means y is equal to positive or negative 5x. So if y is 5 times x, then what was y? This is y. 2 times x squared plus x plus 1 is equal to 5 times x. It shouldn't be really difficult. X is negative b, that's 4, plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times ac, which is 8, over 2 times a, 2 times 2, 4. We have 1 plus minus square root of 8 over 4, and we can simplify it like square root of 2 over 2. Very good. And the other case was y was equal to negative 5 times x, and that's completely similar to what we just did. Plus x plus 1, negative 5 times x, and we have plus 6 times x plus 1, that's equal to 0. Same method. X is equal to negative 6 plus minus square root of 36 minus 8 over 4. So we have negative 3 over 2 plus minus square root of 28, which is 4 times 7 over 4. And the final form is this, square root of 7 over 2. And these are 4 roots for this Quartic equation. That's it for this video, and this is my friend smirking at us and maybe telling us How long did it take you guys to solve this simple problem? Sorry, man. We're not as good as you are. Let me, yeah, complete that. Okay, guys, see you soon in the next video. Take care.